made a video for a while because I've been a little bit busy, and I thought I'd show you what I've been busy with. So basically, I've got a decking in my back garden that was 10 years old and it was rotted. So basically I've had to rip it down and I've been rebuilding it from scratch. Slight change in design. I'll try and put a picture up of what the old decking looked like, so you can compare it to the new one. But yeah, it's been a lot of hard work. I started it on May the 4th and today's June the 1st and I'm just about getting to the end of it. So I've had to do it when the weather's been good for a start, and I've had to do it when I've been off work. So doing it evenings sometimes and Saturdays and Sundays. So it's been really hard graft, but I'm happy with the finished product. So I'll show you this sequence in photographs. I didn't film it while I was building it because, to be honest, it's been hard work just building it. Filming it at the same time would have been a nightmare, and I haven't really got the technology for that. I'm only a hobby YouTuber, I'm not a professional, and I'm not a joiner, so when you look at it, please don't be too critical. But if you have got any comments, leave them in the box below, and see what you think of it. Okay, I shall put some pictures up now and let you know what it looks like.